Good morning, students. We have started chapter 4, heat. Okay, and we have discussed about thermometer, clinical thermometer, and laboratory thermometer. Today we will discuss how to use a clinical thermometer. Okay, today we will discuss that how to use a clinical thermometer. Okay, first take a thermometer and wash it before use. Okay, before this thermometer, before use, after washing, give few jerks like this. Give few jerks so that the mercury level of this thermometer bring down. Okay, goes down. Okay, give some jerks so that the mercury level of this thermometer goes down below the 35 degrees centigrade. Okay, then place this thermometer beneath the tongue of the patient. Okay, then place this thermometer beneath the tongue for about a minute. Okay, लगभग मतलब 1 मिनट के लिए आपने इसको टेम्परेचर जब आप मेजर कर रहे हो तो इसको आपने क्या करना है, टंग के नीचे रखना है. देन टेक इट आउट आफ्टर अ मिनट. टेक इट आउट एंड ऑब्जर्व द रीडिंग ऑब्जर्व द टेम्परेचर रीडिंग ऑन द thermometer. Okay, then observe the temperature reading on the thermometer. Okay, yes, understand? Yes. How to use a clinical thermometer? First, wash it before use. Then, before taking temperature, thermometer is given a few jerks to bring down the level of mercury below 35 degrees centigrade. Clear? Then, it is placed beneath the tongue for about a minute. Okay? Then, you can take it out and observe the temperature reading on the thermometer. So in this way you can use the clinical thermometer. Clear? Okay, now we will discuss precautions. Yes, we need some precautions while reading a clinical thermometer. So should be careful while reading a clinical thermometer. First, we have discussed that before use, wash it. Okay, before use, wash the thermometer. But after use also, we should wash the thermometer after use. So wash the thermometer before and after use. Okay, and when we read the mercury level on a thermometer, keep the thermometer straight. Okay, in this way, keep the thermometer straight, not tilt, bend. Okay, when we see the mercury level on a thermometer, keep this thermometer straight. Okay, yes, understand, beta? So precautions. We need to follow some precautions while reading a clinical thermometer. Wash it before and after use. Second, keep the thermometer straight in order to see mercury level and hold it with care. Always hold the thermometer with care, with extra care, because it can be break. If it break down, do not touch the bulb at all. Okay? If the thermometer break down, do not touch the bulb. कभी भी bulb को touch नहीं करना चाहिए. Clear, बेटा? I hope you understand these precautions also. Now we will discuss about laboratory thermometer. Okay? We have discussed that a laboratory thermometer is a thermometer that is used for measuring the temperature of other things other than human body. Okay, now we will discuss more about lab thermometer. Yes, this is the laboratory thermometer, and we have discussed that this is used to measure the temperature of other things other than human body. Okay, and the range of this thermometer is from minus 10 degrees Celsius to 110 degrees Celsius. Range of this laboratory thermometer is from 10 degrees Celsius to 110 degrees Celsius. When we use this laboratory thermometer, we should be careful. So we need to follow some precautions. Okay, so precautions while using laboratory thermometer. Okay, we should follow the same precautions as that of the clinical thermometer. Okay, सेम मतलब जो प्रिकॉशंस हमने क्लिनिकल थर्मोमीटर को यूज करते हुए यूज किए थे वो इसको करते हुए करना मतलब वॉश इट आफ्टर एंड बिफोर यूज, होल्ड इट केयरफुली. ओके, but there are some more precautions also. When we use this laboratory thermometers, we need some more precautions. Like first aid should always follow same precautions that of the clinical thermometer. And when we use this thermometer, hold it straight upright position without tilting. Clear? When we use this laboratory thermometer, hold this thermometer straight upright position, in this position, without tilting. Don't tilt. Okay? Always keep this straight upright position. Clear? And when we use this, okay, when we use this thermometer, the bulb should be surrounded from all the sides by the substance of which the temperature is to be measured. Okay, when we use this thermometer, the bulb of this thermometer is surrounded by the substance of which the temperature to be measured. जिस सब्सटेंस का हमने टेम्परेचर मेजर करना है वो मतलब ये बल्ब जो है उस सब्सटेंस से चारों तरफ से क्या होना चाहिए, सराउंडेड होना चाहिए. ओके, द बल्ब शुड बी सराउंडेड बाय द सब्सटेंस ऑफ विच द टेम्परेचर इज टू बी मेजर्ड. ओके, एंड डोंट टच द बल्ब टू द सरफेस. Okay, like this. This is suppose this is a surface. So this bulb do not touch the surface. Okay, always keep this thermometer some height from the surface. Clear? Yes. I hope you understand this. Okay. How we use laboratory thermometer and how we can use clinical thermometer. Okay. How can we use laboratory thermometer and how can we use clinical thermometer? I hope you understand this. Yes, one more difference in these two thermometers are also one more difference is also present. See this thermometer, clinical thermometer, you see there is some structure. There is a structure near the bulb. This is you can see, yes, this is a king. This is a king. Okay, this is a king. Okay, and what is the role of this king in this thermometer? You observe that when you take out the thermometer from the mouth, the mercury level of this thermometer does not fall or rise. Okay, observe that. Yes, when we take out this thermometer from the mouth, the mercury level does not fall or rises. Yes, why? Because of the king. Because this king is present in this thermometer, it prevents the mercury level goes down or rises. Clear? And this king is absent in this laboratory thermometer. When we use this laboratory thermometer, we read the reading when this thermometer placed in the substance. That time we read the reading. If we take out this thermometer from the substance, the reading, the level of mercury goes down. Okay, and we cannot read the reading, exact reading of the substance temperature of the temperature of the substance. Clear? Okay, so kink is present in clinical thermometer that prevent the mercury level goes down, and this kink is absent in this laboratory thermometer. Clear beta? I hope you understand about thermometer, clinical and laboratory thermometer. Okay beta? Watch the video carefully. Read this chapter from book. Okay? Thank you. Have a nice day.